Welcome back, explorers. This is Joel Hunt, the Natural Explorer. I'm standing literally 2 feet away from 10,000 bees who swarmed our hive last night in a perfectly natural process called reproduction. Now, when a hive becomes too full, the queen will emerge taking thousands of workers with her, and they'll find a sheltered area just like this. The workers will swarm around her to protect her, while scout bees go out into the community and look for a new place to set up their hive. Meanwhile, in our hive, thousands of workers stayed behind to take care of the larvae and to select a new queen. Now, that colony will remain fully sustainable, while this colony, when it gets established, will be fully sustainable as well, completing the cycle of reproduction. But as in all things in nature, nothing is predictable. This swarm has been out here for about 24 hours, so we've solicited the help of a professional beekeeper to come and collect the swarm and to place it into a hive.
There he is. There she is. Hello. And I work over at My Bee Supply. We're in Honeybee Acres, so we're an apiary, local apiary and bee supply store. They're pretty chill, which is nice. Got our queen clip handy. Set that there. Maybe get like a handful. Try not to tick them off too much. Yeah, you guys might want to back up just a little bit. I'm gonna give it a shake and let them just like kind of go to the ground. Now we're going to watch to see if they start going into the box on their own. I mean, they're still going to form up there. I mean, it's a decent size. So like you said, if your hive was that big, I mean, it could have been all of them, you know, from that hive. They're pretty cool. They're not aggravated. They're not, you know.
Yep. That's another thing that leads me to believe they were mine.
Yeah.
They were gentle. Commercial honeybees were imported to the United States from Europe to pollinate the food that we eat, and they're fully dependent on humans for their survival. Honeybees are considered generalists, meaning that they can pollinate generally any plant. However, Ohio has more than 500 species of native bees who have specific mouth parts who can only pollinate certain plants. If you're interested in bees or beehives, please check out my earlier video called Happy National Bee Day. Another great resource is called the Xerces Society. That's spelled Xerces. I suggest you check out their website. I hope you enjoyed today's program. If you did, please click like and subscribe. Leave any comments of future episodes that you'd like me to cover. And until next time, get out and explore.